6.5-foot Marble Run masterpiece. I used 4 objects around the house to make this. I used a PVC pipe, paper towel roll, paper plate, and a water bottle. This is how it works. And that was my Marble Run masterpiece. I had 3 objectives before making the Marble Run and thinking of ideas how to make it. My first objective was to make it really tall, and my second objective was to make it really fast, and my final objective was to be creative and use a lot of things around the house. I had 2 challenges putting this Marble Run together. My first challenge was when I was putting the marble down and coming out of a PVC pipe, this plate used to fold out and the marble used to fall out here, so it wouldn't work. But then my second problem was I put it on top again, do it again from the PVC pipe, but this time it actually went in, but it hit the wrong spot and it fell out, which didn't work. I had 2 solutions on how to solve these 2 problems. The first solution is that I had to put the paper plate closer inside and put tape over here, so that when I drop the marble, it will be more straight and it will fall into the water bottle. The second solution I had to these problems was that I put the water bottle closer, so then when the marble falls inside of it, it will be more straight. So then it can go down here to the paper towel roll and then go down and it will be done. This was a great project because it was very fun and I get to create an amazing marble run, which actually made me very tired and made me have to put a lot of effort into it. But it was still a fun project. Thank you, Mrs. L.